Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you troubleshoot and fix common device issues. Today, we're diving into the frustrating Canon error code B500, a problem that can halt your printing tasks in 2025. If you're a Canon printer owner who's seen this error pop up, don't worry, we've got you covered with clear explanations and step-by-step solutions. Let's get started. First, what exactly is error code B500? This code typically signals a problem with your printer's ink delivery system. It often relates to issues like faulty ink cartridges, clogged printheads, or even internal hardware malfunctions. Understanding this is key because it helps you pinpoint the root cause without guessing. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One major culprit is low or empty ink cartridges, which can prevent proper ink flow. Another is a clogged printhead, caused by dried ink or debris buildup from infrequent use. Electrical issues, such as loose connections between the cartridge and the printer, or outdated firmware, can also trigger this error. In some cases, it's due to a paper jam or even environmental factors like extreme temperatures affecting the printer. The good news is that fixing error code B500 is often straightforward. Start with a simple reset. Turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, wait about 5 minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches. Next, check your ink cartridges. Open the printer compartment, remove the cartridges, and inspect them for any damage or low ink levels. Reinstall them securely or replace them if needed. If the error persists, use your printer's maintenance menu, accessible through the control panel or software, to run a print head cleaning cycle. This usually takes a few minutes and can dislodge any blockages. For more stubborn problems, update your printer's firmware. Visit the official Canon website, download the latest firmware for your model, and follow the instructions to install it. If none of these steps work, it might be time to consult a professional technician, as there could be a deeper hardware issue. There you have it. Error code B500 doesn't have to ruin your day. By following these steps, you'll be back to printing in no time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.